This is the material I had cut up, 8-inch stainless channel, 8-foot lengths. My bender will only do 4 foot. I didn't want to tack a bunch of pieces together, so I had a local shop make this stuff up for me. This will be all the stainless material that I use for connecting the original to the extension. I'm just going to try and take a bunch of little short videos throughout the day or for the weekend kind of thing as I go along. Hopefully I can stitch them all together and make one out of them. Anyways, that's where we're at for now. The rest of the steel for all the framework and everything is all here. I got 2x2 and 1x2 rectangular tubing and some flat bar, and so just get at it. Well, here we are about 6 hours later, getting some of the side on here. Stainless works really nice for this. It's pretty light, but you know, by the time it's all in here and welded up, it's pretty strong. Of course, I guess it's also all tied into this 2-inch square tubing, the heavy stuff, so that gives a lot of strength too. I got this welded up back here, just on the one side. The other side not done yet. Just tacked in there. I'm going to cut it off here once I don't know if I'll do it tonight. This is like 7 o'clock, so I'll probably do it tomorrow, but I'm just going to cut the tacks, take it off, and I'll weld the rest of it up on the bench. It's be easier than trying to do it upside down and everything, so I think I'll do that. Working on a little bit more tonight. Put this cross brace here back here, and that's probably all I'll get done tonight. That's just tacked in there. That's going to be for the toolbox. And I'll do the other side tomorrow. So I didn't get anything over there done yet today, but I didn't think it'd come out too bad today. So I don't know if I'll get it skinned this weekend or not, but get all the framework done anyways. Anyhow, later. And there's the bottom side of it, all welded up before I grind it. It looks pretty nasty, but cleans up nice. Stainless weld kind of looks, doesn't come out quite as nice as mild steel, but or at least it doesn't for me anyways. But by the time you grind it all down and everything, it's can't even tell it's welded, so good enough. Okay, well, it's noon Sunday. A late start today. Welder's kind of in the way, but here's where we're at now. Got this lower section here all welded up, ground down, installed. It's all welded in place now. So much stuff in the way, it's hard to get decent video in here. But anyways, this is the bottom section we have here. That'll all be enclosed with aluminum when it's done. Had to put this piece across the back. That's the floor height, so that needed to be installed. That was the to shorten the, I don't know if you can see in here or not, but to curve that across the back here to match the curve of the bus. This isn't working too well, there's just no bloody room. But anyways, hopefully you can get an idea. This is all curved across here, so we had to build that. That used to be the door, went right up to that section there. Now the floor height is going to be down to here, so I have to fill that in. I'll have to cut the doors down when we put them back in, and they'll just be about 10 or 12 inches shorter. Got a little bit on the other side done. That's what I'm working on now. Doing basically the same thing as this side on the other side. I got today and tomorrow to hopefully I can get all the pieces in the center here for the floor by the end of the day tomorrow. That's what I'm shooting at. But I'm a little behind schedule here. Dad and I went out for lunch or for breakfast this morning, so that kind of used up some time. But anyways, it's coming along. Stainless is really nice. Okay, I'll quit farting around here and get to work. There's a quick look of how it's coming along from up inside here. Ran out of stainless wire, so I'm going to have to move on to the carbon seal. I'll have to get some more wire on maybe tomorrow. Nobody's open today. Anyways, so I'll start laying the floor pieces in here. I'll just continue on with the rest of the stainless once I get some more wire. Anyways, there's kind of a look at how it's coming from up inside here. Let's just start laying some framework in here for the floor here now. Alright, that's it for a bit. Hopefully I can stitch these things all together and make one video out of them, because otherwise it's going to be a pain. But anyways, deal with that when we get to it. I just noticed that when this thing was built originally, this corner here is low by about 3/8 of an inch from, well, basically here to here, and I never noticed that when I put all this in here. So what I'm going to have to do, it just has a bow in it. If you look at it from the other side, maybe you can even see it from here. I don't know, maybe not. No, maybe not. Anyways, it's got a dip in it because this is low here compared to here, and I never noticed that when I put this all in here. So once I get a little bit farther, I'm just going to keep that in mind. Once I get a little farther, I'll see whether it's worth cutting it here and, you know, bringing this up and then matching it, or whether it really matters. Probably will. And even if it doesn't matter, I'll know it's there. Even if it's under the skin, I'll know it's there. Nitpicky, I guess, but I don't like stuff like that. So it probably is worth taking the time to fix it. It's not that big a deal to do, so I probably will. I'll think about it for a bit, move on to a few other things and see how everything lines up, and I'm pretty sure I'll end up fixing that. Anyways, ran out of stainless wire, so I'm going to start working on the center framework.